Welcome back to Allen Technologies, your trusted partner in mastering Odoo. In today's tutorial, we'll break down a key concept in inventory management, units of measure in Odoo 18 inventory. Let's start with the basics. Units of measure, or UoM, refer to how products are quantified in your inventory. Whether you're buying rice in kilograms, selling drinks in liters, or managing screws in pieces, UoMs are essential for accurate stock tracking and operations. Before working with units, make sure the units of measure option is enabled in your inventory settings. Head to Inventory, Configuration, Settings, and then scroll down to the Products section and activate the units of measure option. Don't forget to hit Save. In Odoo, units of measure are grouped under UoM categories. Why? Because Odoo needs to understand how units relate to each other. For example, kilograms, grams, and tons are all under the weight category and can be converted between each other. But you can't convert pieces to liters unless they are in the same category. To create or modify a UoM, go to Inventory, Configuration, Units of measure. Here you can define a new UoM, give it a name, assign it to a category, and specify the conversion ratio. For example, if you want to say one box equals 12 units, you can define the relationship here. When creating a product, you'll see two UoM fields, unit of measure and purchase unit of measure. The first one is how you sell or stock the product. The second is how you buy it from your vendors. So, if you sell water bottles individually but buy them in boxes of 24, this is where you define that. Let's do a quick demo. We'll create a product called Premium Coffee Beans. We'll set the unit of measure to kilograms. And the purchase unit of measure to bag of 5 kg. Odoo will automatically convert quantities based on our UoM setup during purchase and inventory operations. A quick tip: always use consistent categories when dealing with conversions and name your custom units clearly, like box of 12 pens or pack of 6 bottles, so your team knows exactly what they're handling. And that's a wrap on units of measure in Odoo 18 inventory. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Odoo tips from Allen Technologies. Need help with your Odoo implementation? Reach us out and we are more than glad to help you. See you in the next video.